I've picked up something a little bit different this week, guys. I've gone ahead and I've bought myself a Yale Fire Safe. Let's be clear, I definitely didn't need this. I haven't got a load of gold and diamonds to put in it, but it was cool. It's got a fully digital keypad, and as I mentioned, it's a fire safe. This thing weighs like 40 kilograms. I don't know why I've got it on my lap, and it's absolutely solid. All the way around. I think it's like 45 millimeters thick, something like that. Really, really easy to use. Use 3 fingers to wake it up. Pop your pin in, no peeking, and you press the enter button. Bosh. Slide it open, you've got a shelf in here that you can put on a couple of different levels, along with a drawer that comes out for all your gold and your diamonds. It does come with some floor bolts as well, so you can screw this straight into the floor. And it's fully tested and fireproof for 60 minutes at something like 900 plus degrees Celsius. In terms of security, you can choose between 3 and 12 digit pin. It's got over 1 billion possible combinations, and I've just checked, it's actually like 50 kilos. It's got an insurance rating of about £1,000 in cash and 10k in valuables. And because it's a fully digital keypad, there's no master key or anything like that. If for whatever reason this did die, there is a little adapter on the bottom where you can wake up the keypad with one of those dual-ended battery things. Can't remember what they're called. Overall, its RRP is $299. I picked it up from Argos, so I think it was like 230 quid. You can really see the size of it. They've got like 4 or 5 different sizes, so they've got small, medium, large, couple of little chests. I love the beeps. But yeah, guys, that's the Yale Fire Safe. Let me know if you got one. Let me know what other safe brands you've got. I really like the digital ones, not a big fan of keys. And this thing is absolutely solid. I am not worried about leaving anything in here. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and I'll catch you on the next one. Thanks, guys. Ugh.